Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download TikTok video without watermarks. So if you want to download a TikTok video without the watermark by saving it the normal way, if you save it the normal way, you'll end up with a TikTok watermark, but I'll show you guys how to save it without ending up with the TikTok watermark. So it's pretty simple, but first things first, you want to head over to the TikTok app and find the video that you actually want to save without the watermark. So let's say I want to save this video right here of this dog getting hitting the gritty. What you want to do, you want to click on the share button in the bottom right corner of your screen of the post, and it will bring up these options right here. Of these options, you want to look for the copy link option. It should be like a blue chain. Once you find it, just click on it and it'll say link copied. So like I said before, click on the share button in the bottom right corner and then click on the copy link button. Once you click on that, it should copy the link, and from there you're going to head out of the TikTok app and then go to any browser of your choosing. I'm using Google Chrome, but it also works for Safari and other ones as well. So from here, you want to search for SnapTik. Just put in SnapTik, and once you put in SnapTik, you're going to look for the option that leads to the website snaptik.app. Snaptik.app. Once you find that, you can click on it. You can also just put the link into the browser in the first place. It'll bring you straight to this. But from here, you want to click on the paste button all the way to the right of the search bar and just click paste. Once you do that, it'll put in the TikTok link, and then from here, you just click on the green button that says download. Once you click on that, it'll load for a bit, and then it'll ask you if you actually want to download it. So click on the blue button that says download once again. Once you click on the blue button that says download, it'll load for a bit, and then you just want to click on the X in the top right corner when this ad shows up. So once you click on the X, it'll start downloading your video. So if you're on Safari, it might confirm the download, but if you're on Chrome, then it'll automatically start downloading it. Actually, no, you have to click on the download button to start downloading on Chrome as well. So you kind of have to confirm it on both of them. So once you start downloading it, you're going to want to head over to your Files app, and it will bring you to your Chrome or your files that you've downloaded. So it didn't work for me for some reason, so I'll head back over to the app, and I have to click on try again for the download option, and it'll start downloading, and then here you can click on open in once it's downloaded all the way. On Safari, it probably downloads it straight to your gallery, but on Chrome, it downloads it to your files. So you want to head over to your files to make sure that it actually downloaded. And once you head over to your files, you're going to look for the Chrome file. And once you find it, you'll be able to find your video that you just downloaded. And as you can see, there's no watermark at the end. To save it to your gallery, you just click on the share button in the bottom left corner, and then look for the option that says save video. Once you click on save video, it'll save it straight to your gallery. So this is how you download a video without watermarks on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.